Hi guys, and welcome back to askNK. In today's video, we'll be talking about a news update that is coming over to an amazing piece of software that you probably have not used. And we're talking about the software that is made possible by a company known as askNK Motions. And askNK Motion is a company that makes some sort of creative softwares. One of the very nice ones that a lot of people have used is the Rebelle, and there is another one that is called the Flame Painter. So we're going to talk about the Flame Painter today, all of the things coming over to Flame Painter 4. So it's been about 5 years since they released the last version. I think is Flame Painter 3.2, which is the version that I have. I'm going to show you guys how this works. And ever since then, there has been no update to this particular app whatsoever. And so they will be introducing particle brushes. So particle brushes are going to be coming over to the Flame Painter, and there's a whole lot of particle brushes that they are planning on releasing. One of them is the ribbon particle. Another one is the follow particle brush. We also have the flame particle system, and there is a fuzzy brush. There is also some other brushes that needs to do with elastic and so on and so forth. So with these brushes, there's just a lot of amazing things that you can create. One of them is you can go ahead and make things like fire, bouquets, abstract creations, and so on. But these are just for the brushes that are coming to Flame Painter 4 and not the complete update. So one of the key features, or most of the key features coming over, is now you'll be able to do symmetrical stuff. Symmetrical designs are basically designs that you cannot actually shy away from. So symmetrical tool will be coming over to Flame Painter. You'll also be able to import vector-based objects and vector parts like SVGs, which you can use as brushes. You'll also be able to take advantage of the advanced palette that will be coming. Also going to be a Photoshop plugin which will be coming in as well, that would actually help you navigate through your designs way more easily. So just in case you do not have an idea of what the Flame Painter is, I'll simply go ahead and show you what the Flame Painter is. So this is Flame Painter, and by default this is how it looks. This is the Pro version, which I already had earlier. So I'm going to just simply scribble around and show you how this works. So your brushes stay here, or by default you get to find them here. Your entire colors this. And so with this, you can, just go ahead and, do some very interesting designs. So link to the blog is going to be in the description. So just in case you want to learn about Flame Painter, all of the updates coming over to Flame Painter. And so if you want to get this software goes for $90, which is perpetual, which simply means you don't have to pay for subscription. And also you would be able to upgrade for $40 once there is an upgrade that is coming out. I mean, if you have the previous version like I do, then of course all you have to do is just simply pay $40 to upgrade to the new one. And for the particle systems, or for the particle brushes that is coming, you can go ahead and pay $19 or $20 for each, or you can simply pay $40 for everything at once. Link to this is going to be in the description. So if you're very interested in this app, or let's say you want to know what this app is, you want to see what they have done with these things, you would be able to get your hands in there and learn more about these things. So I would like to know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Is this an app you've tried? Is it an app you want to use? Tell me about these things, and I'll be very excited to hear about what you guys think about this. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Go ahead, hit the like button, turn on notification. And if you're new here, it's going to be amazing if you can simply hit the subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video, the next update. And until I see you guys again with a tutorial update, Free Friday, Tutorial Tuesday, tips and tricks, things like this. Peace.